Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu Yixing Nonmetallic Chemical Machinery Company. Our company was established in 1957. First, I will show you around our sample room. This product workshop meets national VI and Euro VI emission standards. We also can notice these are our benching system. Do you want to know the process of mold drying forming? Let's go to see it. We also have microwave dryer. On my left side, these are our automatic laser punching equipment. Let's take a closer look at more details. Next, behind of me, this is our shuttle kiln workshop. And now we locate our firing work area. Behind of me, here is our intermittent kiln. Next, let me show you automatic detection area. It covers an area of 50 cubic meters. Afterward, let's come and visit finished products warehouse. We also have our own research and development center.